तो हेलो वेलकम। आज हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स का वीक 6 टेस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवाइसेस आर पावर्ड ऑन व्हिच स्टेप ऑकर फर्स्ट। तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा okay, कि बायस कोड इन्वोकिंग देन एजुकेशन ऑफ पोस्ट रूटीन्स। पहले बायस सेटअप होगा, तो एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं होगा कि बायस मींस बेसिक इनपुट आउटपुट सिस्टम। सो व्हेन द पावर ऑन an electronic devices. So especially a computer, the first step is for the CPU to execute the BIOS, that is basic input output system code. So the BIOS is firmware stored on a chip on the motherboard and is responsible for initializing and managing the hardware components of the system. Okay. And जो ऑप्शन में है और ये ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं। एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ पोस्ट रूटीन्स देन BIOS कोड इज इन ये क्या आफ्टर द BIOS input. After the BIOS is input, comes the power of self-test, that is post routines. Post output में क्या है? Power of self-test. So post is a diagnostic testing sequence that checks the system's hardware, such as the CPU, RAM, disk, drives, and other essential peripherals to ensure everything is functioning correctly. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन for B, that is BIOS code invoking then execution of post routines. Question number 2, gateway connection is gateway level 3. Okay, that is level 3. Option number C, level 3. So level 3 कहाँ पे? Level 3 means network layer. So gateway क्या है? पहले एक वन बाय वन ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं। इसका आंसर तो होगा लेवल 3। ओके, पहले गेटवे क्या है? गेटवे इज ए नेटवर्क डिवाइस दैट acts as an entry and exit point between two networks. So it's often between a local network like home or office network and larger network like the internet. It performs routing functions and manages traffic between different networks. And यहाँ पे level 3 connection क्या है? It is the layer 3 in the OSI, that is open system interconnection model. The network layer is network layer क्या है? Layer 3 में. So this layer is responsible for routing, logical addressing, and path determination. Since a gateway routes data between the networks and typically uses IP addresses, it operates at layer 3, that is networking layer. It functions at the network layer. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा layer 3. इसको याद रखो, layer 3, that is network layer. So option number C. Question number 3. Which of the following is fastest medium of data transfer? Fastest medium क्या है? Fiber optics. Option number C, fiber optics. So एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं होगा कि fiber optics is the fastest data transfer medium. Fiber optic cables use light to transmit data, which allows for extremely high bandwidth and speeds. And ये देता है क्या? Reaching up to 100 Gbps, that is gigabytes per second or more. Okay. So the transmission is less susceptible, okay, to electromagnetic interference, which makes it reliable over long distance without significant loss of signal quality. Okay. Coaxial cable क्या है? This is the type of cable which is a copper conductor for data transmission. And ये क्या देता है? Up to 1 Gbps, but they are slower than fiber optics. Then twisted pair क्या है? Commonly used Ethernet network. So twisted pair cables consist of pairs insulated copper wires twisted together. So there are two types, that is UTP, that is non-sealed twisted pair, and STP, that is sealed twisted pair. And it कितना देता है? Speeds ranging from 100 megabits per second 10 Gbps, that is 10 gigabits per second. But they are not as fast as fiber optics. It is fiber optics. or C, that is fiber optic. Question 4. A device that forwards data packet from one segment to another segment of network is called. So data packets one segment से other segment में जाएगा तो network इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इसको ब्रिज बोलते हैं. ब्रिज, that is option number A. ब्रिज बोलते हैं. तो ब्रिज यहाँ पे गोथ कर सकते हो. ये लेयर टू डाटा की लेयर में होता है. वैसे लेयर में यहाँ पे गो थ्रू कर सकते हो. सो ब्रिज तो बता दिया. देन स्विच also operate the data linear and forwards data based on MAC address. It typically connects multiple devices in the same network segment. Then hop क्या है? Layer one, that is physical layer of the SAM model. And ये क्या करेगा? Simply repeats incoming data packets all ports without any filtering or intelligent forwarding. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा okay, that is breeze. Then a firewall is. So firewall क्या है? एक सॉफ्टवेयर हार्डवेयर है used to isolate a private network from a public network. So option number B. So firewall हुई है. Then और ऑप्शन में क्या है? An established network performs reference points. ये क्या है? This option does not describe firewall actually. Instead, it might refer to network benchmark or metrics used to access network performance such as latency or throughput. And और एक ऑप्शन में जो था an antivirus that protects the network from viruses. ये क्या है? While antivirus software is important for detecting and removing malware, so it is not the same as a firewall. So antivirus software scans files, programs for known malware signatures, whereas firewall protection regulated network traffic to prevent unauthorized access. Then question 6, the torque that applies to the specific within the line of the text is called leading. Some leading. So leading है ये. The torque that applies to the specific between the line of text. So leading refers to vertical spacing, the lines of text in the paragraph. So the torque is originated from the days of the typesetting when strips leads were used to separate lines type. Kerning क्या है? Kerning refers to the adjustment of space between individual characters in a font of visually pleasing spacing and proportionality. And it particularly important in creating a balanced and professional query text. And then track. There is a letter spacing refers to uniform adjustment of spacing between all characters in block of text. So यहाँ पे go through कर सकते हैं. Material दे दूँगा full RAM ये go through कर सकते हैं. और इसके सारे option describe किया हुआ है. Question 7. Which of the following is not a color specification format? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा GIF. ये कलर स्पेसिफिकेशन फॉर्मेट है तो GIF होगा. तो GIF graphic structure format. So it is a image file format, not a color specification format. So ये जानते हो क्या है? It is widely used for images on the web, particularly for animations. And ये जो है RGB, that is red, green, blue. So RGB is a color specification format that represents color as a combination of the primary colors red, green and so आपको पता है कि यहाँ पे कहाँ पे यूज होता है? टीवी मॉनिटर. By adjusting the intensity of each of the three colors, a wide range of colors can be produced. Actually, क्या है? ये wide range colors. Totally ये यूज हो रहा है red, green, blue. तो CNY के क्या है? Cyan, Magenta, Yellow और Clear Black. इसको बोलते हैं CMY. इसको याद रखो. क्या? Magenta, Yellow, E Black. So it is a color specification paper used to primarily color printing. Then you write a video signal is transmitted with all the signal is together and carried on the signal level is called. इसको बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं कंपोजिट वीडियो ये कंपोजिट वीडियो हो गया ये गो थ्रू कर सकते हैं और ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं कंपोनेंट वीडियो क्या है it is the video signal is split into two or more separate channels typically Y, PP and PR or Y, CP and CR to improve video quality and the chromatic video used in video production to replace a specific color usually green or blue in a video with another image or video. So we have composite video. Question 9. Display devices which are capable of displaying pixel and resolution quality are used on multimedia applications. So multimedia application capable of displaying good pixel and resolution quality are used on multimedia applications. So display होगा यहाँ पे display devices that are capable of displaying good pixel density or high resolution are essential for multimedia applications. That is high pixel density and high resolution. High pixel density, that is PPI, that is the number of pixels for each display. Then high resolution आपको पता है full HD, that is 1920 to 1080. आपको पता है 2%. Then question of 10. FTP is based on the principle of client server. So client server. So client server पहले FTP देख लेते हैं कि file transfer protocol, the network protocol used to transfer files between the client and the server over the internet. Then client server principle क्या है? In this model, the client is a software or devices that request resources or services from another devices. So, server. So the server hosts, manages, and provides these resources. So FTP clients such as FileZilla or command line FTP clients connect to FTP servers to upload, download, or manage files stored on the server. Then web server क्या है? Web server is a different type of server that serves web pages to clients, that is the web browsers via HTTP or HTTPS. Then mail server is sending and receiving the stored mails. Then we मिला लेते हैं बस. नंबर B 2 3 C 4 A question 5 B question 6 C 7 8 A question 9 B then question 10. Let's डिस्क्रिप्शन में गूगल ड्राइव लिख दे दूंगा, आप लोग कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.